Hypercharger HYC50 is a very compact 50 kilowatt fast charger with the best efficiency on the market at 97.5%. By the charger, it is possible to charge electric vehicles equipped with CCS or CHAdeMO connectors. You can conveniently pay for the charge by a contactless payment, card or phone, and also by using an RFID tag. The charger's touchscreen, an optional cable management system, improve the user experience. Simultaneous charging of two vehicles is possible with a power of 25 kilowatt each. Hypercharger HYC50 is the market's first wall-mounted 50 kilowatt DC charger, but it can also be installed on the ground by optional pedestal. The charger is classified for outdoor use in Nordic conditions, but due to its silence, is also suitable for indoor use. The front panel of the charger is fully customizable according to the company's brand. This gives your company excellent visibility.